Kakauwi ko lang galing sa trabaho and this is another update sa bahay. So kahapon, that was been done, this here. And ngayon, oh, hopefully you can hear me kasi ano, mahangin, sobrang mahangin. Oh, but
it's drying at the top, but it's still wet and thicker at the bottom.
Yeah, so in here, meron ng ano din, coating. Yeah. I see. It will go white. And how about in the front, sweetheart? Are they finished on the front? So what's left then? Right on the back? On the back bedroom. Right, so konti na lang mga loves. Ito hindi pa, wala pang coating. So yeah, and then the top as well.
And then two as well, and they've done the side, that side panel. So basically that panel and that.
To me, in the camera, just look in the camera, this one is a bit darker and this is whiter.
Because it is.
Huh?
That was done yesterday, that's been done today.
Ah, okay, but they will have the same color in the end of the day, isn't it? Yeah?
Look at the one above, that's today.
Oh yeah, like you can you tell that na ito medyo light and yung taas na ginawa ngayon kanina medyo may pagka-dark pa siya. So it will go lighter pag natuyo na talaga. They're not coming tomorrow, isn't it? Yeah. So when are they coming back again? Tuesday. So yeah, not long now. Nearly there, nearly finished.
This side looks nice now.
Yeah, because it's drying.
It's drying and it's gone white. It won't go white, it's not dry yet.
So that's it for now. That's another update sa bahay. Sa paglalagay ng coating nila.
Yeah.
How's my mister?
Okay.
Good. Hello, it's another day. Makulimlim na panahon. Umaambon siya mga loves. Pero kahit na medyo umaambon siya, warm pa din. Kasi dahil siguro ba, mga last 2 weeks, sobrang ganda talaga ng panahon. Parang ang nafe-feel ko ngayon is yung heat na nag-evaporate sa ground. Nagpo-forecast kasi na all week daw it will be raining. So, yan yung kapalit after sa 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks actually na maganda yung panahon. Ito na naman simulas ng ulan. Inaantok pa din ako ba? Kasi ano, 2 o'clock nagising ako tapos hindi ako makatulog. Nakatulog siguro ako ulit mga ano na, mga 4:30. Tapos yung alarm ko ano, 6 o'clock ko sinit yung alarm ko. Yung pigeon na lumipad. Parang isa lang ata yung paa kasi isa lang yung nakita ko. Ewan ko. I'm just not seeing properly because I'm tired. Anyway, magtatrabaho lang muna ako mga loves. I'll see you, I don't know, tomorrow ulit. Kasi meron na naman akong trabaho. So, 6:20 na dito ng hapon. Half an hour na kaming natapos. Pero, of course, bawal kaming pauwi. Ay, ayun, walang magagawa kundi maghintay. So pagka-uwi ko ng bahay mga loves, nasuggest ako kay Mr. na mang-grocery kami. So we are on our way. Malakas na yung ulan actually. 7 o'clock na dito ng gabi. Bye honey, another working day. Maulan pa din and sobrang lakas ng hangin. Kaninang umaga, mga ano ba? Mga 2 o'clock. Nagising na naman ako sa 2 o'clock para mag-wee pero I've slept straight away. But then nagising ako mga 4 o'clock kasi yung ate ko tumawag. Like, nagre-ring sila. Alam mo yung, yes, you are grateful that someone is ringing you but sometimes you don't realize the time difference. Anyway. And then, after that, parang yung tulog ko, hindi ako nakatulog. Parang nakikinig lang ako sa paligid ba. Oops. Right, let's go guys. Ang lakas-lakas ng hangin mga loves. Alam niyo, nung nagdadrive ako, ang daming mga debris sa daan. Pero buti na lang, it's dry. We're going out today. Tumigil na yung ulan mga loves. However, still very windy. And ito yung suot ko. Summer na summer ako ba? Hindi naman malamig yung ano, hangin. Hindi siya masyadong malamig talaga but na to the point. Mga ngatog yung tuhod mo. Yan. Yeah. And si Jan magsa-CR and in a few minutes we're going. So sasunduin namin si Bianan and then go somewhere to get something to eat and yun lang, just have a little time with her. Hello?
My jacket's freezing.
Come on, come here.
Maybe with it, darling.
I've been shouting you
We've been shouting it.
to go. I mean, you're distracted. I don't know why you're distracted so much.
I wasn't distracted. Freezing. Right, come on, let me get me fasten my jacket.
Let's go. Let's go na. Did you close the window in the bathroom?
We can open the bathroom.
Huh?
You can't open the bathroom window.
Why? No, I'm in the toilet window.
It's only goes into the bedroom now, then.
Okay.
Nobody can get in, can they?
Okay, bye. Look at everything. What do we need? We don't need to do anything, isn't it?
Come on, Mrs. Muscle.
Oh my goodness, why it's so smelly? Is our... Oh, they're spraying. They're spraying mga loves, yung slurry. Whew. Ay, naku naman. Gosh, that's very smelly. I'm trying to be quick as much as
You're
I
not trying to be
can.
quick. That is not quick. That's like
Where is our neighbor?
stinks in his car now.
Please.
Told you should be done quickly, you didn't.
I'm not ready, darling.
Well, his camera's doing the slowing up.
Oh my goodness. The smell.
The stink.
Yeah, the smell, sweetheart. Oh, wow. Yan yung isa sa mga problema pag if you are in the countryside, you will often smell this slurry smell.
Glorious.
Glorious. It's not glorious at all. But yeah, masangsang siya. Pero nawawala naman siya. Like, pag ini-spray lang talaga, yan yung initial na sobrang mabaho. Pag nag-dry na yung in-spray nila, mawawala naman. But it will last like 30 to 1 hour.
Unless he comes and collects this.
It's not busy.
And then,
Again.
and then. Is it?
Is it ginger ale by any chance?
Huh?
Is it ginger ale?
No, beyond it.
I only put 3, but I don't know.
This one. Why didn't you put that?
Close to it, yeah.
Look at this. Binigyan ako ni Bella nito. Itong parang wind chime.
Yeah, you can hang
Yan.
it in your window.
Yeah, and then dito, malaki siyang stones. Uy! Tingnan nyo naman yung loob ng bahay, oh. Ito yung sitwasyon namin at this moment. Kasi dito, si Mr. nilagyan niya ng lentils yung dito para bagbagin na to yung dito para gawing door. So, yeah. Sobrang maalikabok sa loob ng bahay dahil sa mga ginagawa nila ba. But, yeah. It needs to be done.